So, shooting some sample footage from my Osmo Action 4. This is mostly going to be at 4K 30 unless I say otherwise. I'll put a little note on screen. I'm going to be filming in the standard color profile in 10-bit using the HEVC recording, and then cutting it all together in LumaFusion as an HLG video, and then bring that up to see what it looks like, and so you can see what it looks like. This at the moment is 4K 30 with no stabilization, and I'll try a few of the stabilizations, try some wearing the camera stuff, maybe some slow-mo, some of the other features. Maybe I'll try to get the camera underwater at the weekend. We'll see what we do. But yeah, just going to be a few different things. Shot with the camera, give you some idea of what it looks like when you record standard HDR in various circumstances. Okay, I turned Rocksteady Stabilisation on, so this is otherwise exactly the same, 4K 30. Held on a little handheld thing in front of me, but now Rocksteady is on, Standard Rocksteady, and we'll see how much of a difference the basic level of stabilization makes to the footage. I mean, you're already seeing it. I'll find out later. Okay, same thing again, and now I've turned on Rocksteady Plus. So this is, again, holding the camera at roughly the same place, exactly the same way, 4K 30, but Rocksteady Plus is on, so should be even more stable than previous one, but I guess we'll see. There's also a plane going overhead, so we'll see how the onboard mics handle a little bit of background noise. I mean, there's plenty of background noise in the cars there, even more. And the last one for the walking talks, this is with horizon balancing on. So I'm tilting the camera left and right, but it looks like it's keeping, the shot pretty much vertical. I can't really prove to you that I'm tilting the camera left and right, but I promise you I am. So that's kind of cool. I don't know how often what I'm going to do with this camera that'll be of any use. I'm not really planning on vlogging with it like this because I have other camera for that, but good to know it works as a backup if it's doing this well. And you can see sort of how the stabilizations work, and again how the image looks. Okay, now I am wearing the camera on my chest using a magnetic mount through my shirt. This is back still at 4K 30, but back with no stabilization at all. So you're seeing exactly what the camera is seeing, but without any adjustments other than the fact that I've always had D-Warp. So that's what you're getting. This is exactly how shaky it actually is as I walk. And now, same thing, walking exactly the same way. But this is with Rocksteady Stabilisation on, so standard Rocksteady Stabilisation once again. And now with Rocksteady Plus. The other handle's going into a slightly darker area from the sun this way as well. And I'm not sure how useful this one is, but just for completeness sake, it's the same thing walking along the street, same in the same place, same way, exactly the same, haven't moved the camera, but this is, again, horizon balancing on. handheld, no stabilization. Handheld, Standard Rocksteady. Handheld Rocksteady Plus. Handheld horizon balancing.
It's a three-pronged attack. Subliminal, liminal, and superliminal.
Superliminal?
I'll show you. Hey, you!
Like and subscribe.
Yeah, all right.
I'm in.